So hello everyone, my name is Gus Gunnar and you are watching Becoming Gus. This is date 131. Today was honestly one of the most physically exhausting day, also one of the most fun day I have had in a long time, I would say. I slept for literally only 3 hours, yeah, 3 hours because we had this crazy plan with friends to go to a water park today, and obviously nobody wants to cancel it. So somehow I woke up around 8 a.m. completely dead inside, but also super excited. Everybody was rushing because we planned to leave early before the heat become unbearable. And bro, the heat today was so insane. Literally 42 degrees Celsius. It felt like the sun a personal beef with us. We somehow got ready, and around 9 a.m. we left for the water park. The whole ride there was chaotic. Everyone was kind of sleepy, but everyone screaming random stuff. Some people already getting waking up this morning. But the excitement was there, and after like traveling for almost 1.5 hour in that deadly heat combo, I would say that around 11 a.m. we finally reached to the water park. The water park was called uh, Aqua Magica Water Park, and it is located in Indore. And trust me, the second we entered the place felt like a heaven because all of that heat we have been going through. But before the fun started, we had to survive the most annoying process ever: buying tickets, waiting in lines, changing clothes, keeping bags into the safe locker rooms, and literally exchange between arguments, and somehow we all like it. It took us like around 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So like, bro, guys, I would say that's how time disappears so fast in places like this. So consider going earlier. And once we finally entered the water area, absolutely madness started. From the point onward, we were non-stop doing slides. Every single dangerous looking slides, yes, we did it. We went on it. The fast one, the twisted ones, the giant drop slides, and everything. It was so amazing. And obviously, when boys go together somewhere, peace is never an option. We literally start doing WWE moves on each other in the water park, from the RKO to Super Slam to fake wrestling intros, pushing each other into the pool. It was completely chaos. At one time, I generally thought someone's back was about to break, but honestly, these moments become the funniest memory later. And because of the heat outside, the cold water felt so good. Although my legs has kind of burned down, or maybe they have blisters due to the very hot floor they had. There was no shades, but only the water things. So, like generally refreshing, but for some hours we completely forgot about life. We didn't care about work. We didn't care about stress. There was no responsibility. Also, we didn't had our phone, so there was no any online thing happening. So just friend having fun with you, like just for like little kids again. And I think everybody needs day like this sometimes. Also, one funny thing, every single one of our phones started dying one by one, because obviously nobody charged their phone properly before coming. And since we went to the whole time, nobody even care about phones. So by evening, all eight of us was basically like phoneless human wandering around, no time, no battery, no idea what was happening. We were like just surviving on vibes. We stayed there till like around 6 p.m. Or after 6 p.m. all the lights got turned off, and then there was this dance program happening there. Everyone was dancing with full energy even after being completely exhausted. Somehow we still had stamina left. I don't know from where we got that, but I generally don't know from where. Then around like 7 or 7:30 we left the water park. Honestly, nobody even know the exact time because every single phone was discharged. And like after spending the whole day in water, we all suddenly got super hungry. So we like while returning around like 9 p.m. we decided to today let's dine out properly. So we went to a fancy hotel for dinner, and trust me, after being tired the whole day, the entire day, the food tasted like the best meal and ever created. Everybody was silent for once, just eating peacefully, which is rare in groups. After like dinner, we finally returned back to the rooms. And guys, the first thing I did was take my one final bath because the amount of chlorine on my body was insane. My whole, you can see the difference, the tanning. This and this completely feel the different hand. Uh, this visual, yes, I don't know, but generally I felt like a swimming pool myself at one time, one point, and now I'm so physically tired. You actually you can't see the tiredness on my face. But like today was exhausting in the most authentic, athletic way possible. My head is spinning right now. Running, climbing slides, swimming, wrestling with friend, coming back to the crazy heat. My body is obviously done now, but honestly, days like this are worth it because these are the memories we will laugh about years later. And that was day. This was day. That was day 131. And if you enjoy the vlog, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, tata, bye bye.